of all of y'all to start or give y'all some tips, some strategies which will help y'all learn English easily and breezily. This is through tips and blatant suggestions on my behalf. Tips on how to on easy and quick English language analysis and learning. Course designed and created by me, that is Prasunta Mehtani, and an introduction of myself. I'm Prasunta, who loves to express and is an avid writer more than a reader, and a good orator or with great eloquent skills. I am not at all a pedant, but moreover of a dilettante. I'm a self-taught person who has done her CIDTT, Cambridge International Diploma for Teachers and Trainers. Even after immense or intense knowledge of grammar, I don't dwell much into it, but take English at the root level to simplify and make it within the reach and comfort zone of the common man. As for me, the common man, speaking in English only means knowing English, and this course is designed keeping in mind the sensibilities of the common man who wants to speak fastest as possible. I want this dream of his to come true, to formulate such a course that will help him to conquer his battle, his ongoing battle against English. I want him to become a follower and lover of English, just like me. This course has 4 modules. The first module helps the learners at the base level, is how he can form his base in English. This will simplify it. How he can form the base, how he can get the idea, and how he should start. The second module helps him to condition his mind towards speaking as soon as possible and not to wait towards perfecting and then starting, even with rudimentary knowledge or the basic knowledge of words, vocabulary, and grammar that he has, at least to give a start somewhere. The third module is based on building confidence, and it is basically about which vocabulary should he first learn, target. See, once a person receives admiration, has a sense of achieving, then he will further be encouraged and feel motivated to go in for higher vocabulary and learn more. But at the initial stages, when you meet a lot of disparage or a lot of failures or a lot of condemnation, it is very difficult to pursue that art, hobby, or even knowledge further ahead. I can relate to his obscurity. The fourth and the last module is serious learning is possible only when the mood is not weary, tired, or burning, but convivial and spirited, as then only the brain, according to me, is most receptive and productive. So I take it upon that the students have to be kept into focus. The students have to find the lectures very intuitive, encouraging, interesting, and fun-filled. They don't have to get bored, because English is a very funny language. So let's approach it with fun, lots of fun, and lots of jokes, lots of pranks in a class itself too. So let us take English in a funny manner for a change. But this is serious English, let me tell you. Thank you so much. I hope to meet you all again with a warm reception and a warm welcome on your part, and to be equally acceptive and receptive of this course of mine, because it's a very humble endeavor to make things easier for you all. Thank you once again.